In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional formatting in Smartsheet. Conditional formatting is a great way to make important information stand out automatically based on rules you define. In this example, we're going to base our formatting on task status so that rows with a status of in progress are visually highlighted in your project sheet. First, open your Smartsheet project. Make sure you're in the grid view of your sheet so you can clearly see your column headers and rows. We'll be working with a sheet that already has a status column and a condition column, but the process is the same for any similar setup you might have. Next, look for the Dependencies or Related Settings option in the toolbar or menu area for this sheet. Go ahead and click on Dependencies. In this context, it's part of the configuration area where you can access rules and formatting related to how your project behaves. Once you're there, you'll see options related to how data is processed and highlighted. Now, find the section that deals with highlighting or formatting rules. You may see an option simply labeled Highlight or something similar. Click on this Highlight option. This is where you'll define when Smartsheet should apply special formatting automatically. You'll see an existing rule or a place to add one. Click on the part of the rule that refers to the condition, where it currently says something like, Status is in progress. Select that so you can confirm or adjust it. For our case, we want to keep it exactly that. Status is in progress. Once you've confirmed the condition, click OK to save that part of the rule. Now let's specify the actual format that will be applied. Click on the Format option within the rule. This is where you can choose things like background color, text color, or other visual styles. Select the format you want to use when a task is in progress. For example, you might choose a yellow background to draw attention. When you're happy with the format, click on the column selection area and choose the condition column, or whichever column you want to visually change. Then click OK to confirm. Finally, review the rule summary and click the main OK or Save button to apply everything. You should now see that any row with status set to in progress is automatically highlighted according to the formatting you chose.